Hey guys, welcome to a brand new episode of Planet Bollywood. मैं हूँ सागरिका छेत्री and I bring you the latest from the world of Bollywood social media and entertainment. Before I get started, a quick reminder to all our viewers to go check out our Zoom Facebook page for more updates on your favorite Bollywood celebrities. For now, just sit back, relax and enjoy the top headlines of the day. Akshay Kumar trolls Sara for her shairi as they film at the Taj Mahal. Bollywood is decking the halls to celebrate Christmas in style. Priyanka shares the trailer for her new film and gets praise from a special someone. Charisma shares throwback pictures with Govinda from 1995 film Coolie No. 1. Actor Rajnikant summoned by a judge for controversial comments made in 2018.
हमारे पास है एक ऐतिहासिक अतिथि presenting शाहजहां. Now, I request you to try to look वहाँ, even though Mr. Kumar यहाँ रहा. जो मैंने कहा, स्माइल कीजिए ना.
जैसे आप लोगों ने देखा, इन्होंने राइम करने की कोशिश की. इससे घटिया राइम आज तक नहीं हुआ, लेकिन कोशिश करने वालों की हार नहीं होती. करते रहो.
सारा अली खान और अक्षय कुमार जा पहुंचे हैं आगरा टू शूट फॉर द फिल्म अतरंगी रे. मोहब्बत के नाम पे बने मॉन्यूमेंट ताजमहल के सामने सारा और शाहजहां दिखे अतरंगी अंदाज में शायरी करते हुए.
जैसे आप लोगों ने देखा, इन्होंने राइम करने की कोशिश की. इससे घटिया राइम आज तक नहीं हुआ, लेकिन कोशिश करने वालों की हार नहीं होती. करते रहो.
Akshay Kumar has been busy with back-to-back shoots as he completes all the films that were delayed by the pandemic. After filming for Bell Bottom, the actor has joined the cast and crew of Atarangi Re, who have been filming in the Delhi NCR region for quite some time. It seems like Akshay in the film will be seen in a very new avatar and a different andaz, as the Khiladi was dressed like the Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan. उनको इस अतरंगी अवतार में देखकर और ताजमहल की सुंदरता को देखकर सारा couldn't help but indulge in some शायरी.
Sara, who will be sharing screen space with Dhanush and Akshay Kumar in this film, had shared a post earlier welcoming Akshay when he joined the film's shoot a few weeks ago. It looks like Atarangi Re एक बहुत ही interesting मुकाम पे आ पहुंची है. And the film's cast and crew have been shooting in the open areas surrounding the Taj Mahal for the past few days. Akshay seems to be either playing Shah Jahan or is dressed like the late Mughal Emperor, लेकिन either way उनके इस शाही लुक ने audiences को intrigue कर दिया. सारा ने अक्षय के शाही अंदाज का फोटो भी शेयर किया था, जहां अक्षय एक एम्परर की तरह हाथ में गुलाब लिए पोज कर रहे हैं. Sara had captioned her post, "Because it can't get more Atrangi than this, not Shah Jahan. Mr. Kumar it is." Akshay too had shared a short video of himself twirling at the entrance of the monument, quite like Hrithik in Jodha Akbar. Akshay, who seems to be enjoying this Atrangi avatar of his, wrote in his post, "Wah Taj, #Atarangi Re." The actor has been filming scenes with Sara at the awe-inspiring monument, and it seems like being in the presence of the Taj turned Sara into a poet and a tourist guide. सारा ने अपनी शायरी और नमस्ते दर्शकों सीरीज को आगे बढ़ाते हुए अक्षय के नाम एक शेर पेश किया और अपने फैंस को ताजमहल की थोड़ी सी सैर भी करवाई.
Presenting शाहजहां. Now, I request you to try to look वहाँ, even though Mr. Kumar यहाँ रहा.
लगता है एम्परर शाहजहां सारा की शायरी से कुछ खास इंप्रेस नहीं हुए. इन अ बिहाइंड द सीन्स वीडियो, सारा अपने दर्शकों को अक्षय उर्फ शाहजहां से मिलवाती है, लेकिन उनकी राइमिंग पोइट्री से हताश होकर शाहजहां कहते हैं कि इससे बुरी शायरी उन्हें कभी नहीं सुनी.
जैसे आप लोगों ने देखा, इन्होंने राइम करने की कोशिश की. इससे घटिया राइम आज तक नहीं हुआ, लेकिन कोशिश करने वालों की हार नहीं होती. करते रहो.
अब अक्षय इस मुगल लुक में क्यों है, ये अगले साल फिल्म देख के ही पता चलेगा. But till then, I am pretty sure we are going to hear lots more shairi from poet Sara.
Just keep spreading joy and happiness. Merry Christmas to all of you and a very happy New Year.
It's the happiest time of the year, and Bollywood celebrities are getting into the Christmas spirit by decorating their homes in red, green and white, pretty lights and of course a gorgeous Christmas tree.
Christmas and the start of a brand new year is just round the corner. And Bollywood celebs are also getting into the festive spirit by decorating their respective homes. With travel restrictions in place, many won't be able to take the luxurious holidays that they usually do, लेकिन घर पे रह के भी festive season को बहुत अच्छे से celebrate करने की पूरी तैयारी हो रही है.
Here are some celebs who caught our eye with their fun and cozy Christmas decor. Ananya Pandey. Ananya Pandey may be busy with her shoot for Shakun Batra's next film, but the young actor seemed to have had a blast decorating the Christmas tree in her home. Ananya shared multiple social media stories and pictures of herself, her sister, and their cute little dog working together to set the Christmas mood in their home with a beautifully decorated Christmas tree. Sonam Kapoor Ahuja. Sonam Kapoor Ahuja. Sonam has been away from her family for many months now, but the star, who is in London currently with husband Anand Ahuja, is making sure to enjoy the festive season at home this year.
Wherever you are. Like it?
Sonam shared a picture of the Christmas decor at her home in London, and we can't help but love the classy and understated decoration on the Kapoor Ahuja Christmas tree. Malaika Arora. Malaika loves celebrating Christmas, and the diva has decorated her home with lots of beautiful lights and candles to set the mood for Santa Claus to make his grand entry. Malaika shared pictures of herself looking relaxed and cozy in her home that seems perfectly decked up for the holidays. Zareen Khan.
Just keep spreading joy and happiness. Merry Christmas to all of you and a very happy New Year.
While others are busy decorating their trees, actor Zareen Khan decided that she would go the extra mile to spread joy and dresses up as Santa Claus at an event.
By far, this was the best Christmas spent. आज मुझे Santa Claus बन के बड़ा मजा आया. And trust me, जो लोगों ने reactions दिए थे, did not even know it was me. They were all happy to see Santa Claus.
Zareen showed how happy it made her to bring a smile to so many faces and encouraged more people to spread happiness and positivity this festive season, especially after all the difficulties we have been through. प्रियंका चोपड़ा दिल जीत रही है अपने path-breaking movie choices के साथ. The actor is now looking forward to the release of her next film, The White Tiger, which is an adaptation of a Booker Prize-winning novel by the same name. While the film's trailer is being praised by people around the world, PC को मिली खास तारीफ अपने ससुर जी से, who shared in a post कि उन्हें अपनी बहू पे बहुत नाज है.
Priyanka Chopra Jonas has had a 2-decade-long career in the business, and from a teenage beauty queen to a globe-trotting actor and producer, PC has broadened her horizons and made her mark across both Bollywood and Hollywood. She has managed to strike a great balance between acting in movies, producing the films, and working in both traditional and digital content spaces.
The actor has been busy filming first in Germany and then London as she completed filming for projects that were delayed by the pandemic. But a film she completed before the lockdown began, The White Tiger, will stream soon on an OTT platform. The film's trailer dropped recently, and it seems to be a dramatic and entertaining adaptation of an award-winning novel. PC or Rajkumar Rao will play an NRI couple in the film who try to frame their driver for an accident committed by them. How the driver then retaliates and escapes from this plight forms the remaining story of the book and movie. There is praise coming from around the world for the dark and intriguing trailer, but Priyanka is lucky कि उनकी फैमिली भी उन्हें पूरी तरह से सपोर्ट कर रही है और उनकी कामयाबी देख के बहुत खुश है। पीसी ससुर जी केविन जोनस और पापा जोनस, as he is affectionately called, dropped a loving comment praising the trailer and shared कि उन्हें अपनी प्यारी बहू पर बहुत नाज है। Papa Jonas wrote, "So excited to see this movie. Proud of my daughter-in-law." Priyanka's husband Nick Jonas also showed his appreciation, as did her co-stars, Hollywood actors Adam Devine and Rebel Wilson. Priyanka इस फिल्म में ना ही एक्ट कर रही है, but she is also one of the producers of the movie. Speaking about the project in an earlier interview, Priyanka had said, "I'm so excited to work with Ramin Bahrani to bring Arvind Adiga's poignant story to cinematic life. I look forward to filming this in India and also working along with Rajkumar for the first time and the wonderful cast Ramin is putting together. We are all super proud of you, PC, and we hope that you only go from strength to strength with each movie." Karisma Kapoor and Govinda were Jodi number 1 on screen in the 90s, and the diva took to social media to share a still from their 1995 film Coolie number 1. With the remake of the film about to release, the makers have released a new and slightly remixed version of an extremely popular song from the original film. All we can say after watching the new version is, "Tujhko mirchi lagi to main kya karoon."
करिश्मा कपूर 90s की सबसे सक्सेसफुल एक्टर्स में से एक थी, and the actor was the leading lady in multiple films featuring Govinda with Devin Dhawan at the helm. Lolo or Govinda matched each other perfectly, whether it was their fabulous dance skills, great expressions, or effortless acting in the often loud and over-the-top comic dramas. Now, even as we try to keep an open mind about the remake featuring Varun and Sara, we can't help but feel nostalgic about Chi Chi, Lolo, and the magic they created on screen.
As the makers released the slightly modified version of the popular track Tujhko Mirchi Lagi To Main Kya Karu on the occasion of Govinda's birthday, Karisma Kapoor seems to have become nostalgic about the experience of shooting the original track. The actor, who has featured in many iconic dance numbers with Govinda, shared a picture of herself in a sari while Govinda is in one of his signature printed shirts. Lolo captioned her post, "Tujhko mirchi lagi to main kya karu." दोनों के एक्सप्रेसिव फेसेस और 90s फैशन को देख के फैंस भी नॉस्टैल्जिक हो गए, and many left comments about Lolo and Chi Chi remaining an unmatched jodi when it comes to entertaining song and dance numbers. While Karisma indulged in a little nostalgia, the 2020 version of Mirchi Lagi To Main Kya Karu is also available online now. The song, which features Varun Dhawan and Sara Ali Khan, retains the original track of the film with a few minor changes. Unlike the street scenes on Chowpatty in the original, the new version of the Zani number has been shot on a set designed like a street, with Varun and Sara dressed in millennial-approved pops of color and modern designs. In an interview earlier, director David Dhawan ने Coolie number 1 के रीमेक के बारे में बात करते हुए कहा, "Songs from the original Coolie number 1 are hugely popular and timeless. I was always clear that if I ever made this film again, I would use these blockbuster songs." Well, while it may not have the same old school appeal of the original, जिसे actually रास्ते पे शूट किया गया था, The new version of the song is fun and one can't help but be curious about how the entire film will be.
Knock knock.
Who's there?
Cash.
Cashew.
No, thank you. But I don't mind some peanuts.
Oh God.
I'm Rajinikanth fan. No Vijay, no Ajit. Only one superstar. That is a Superman. That's Rajinikanth.
Actor Rajnikant may be a man who rules the hearts of millions in Kollywood, but the legendary actor finds himself in legal trouble after being summoned by a judicial commission in connection to his controversial remarks against the anti-Sterlite protests.
There are stars, there are superstars, और फिर आते हैं the man who rules them all. The Thalaiva from Tamil Nadu, Rajnikant. Actor Rajnikant is a sensation not just in India but around the world. और उनके signature wrist flicks और dialogues remain hugely popular over the years. The actor is also preparing for the launch of his own political party, which is scheduled to happen in January next year. लेकिन पॉलिटिक्स में कदम रखने से पहले रजनी सर को एक पुराने लीगल केस से निकलना पड़ेगा.
Rajni sir had reportedly passed some comments about anti-social elements forcing the police to fire on anti-Sterlite protesters in 2018. 13 people had lost their lives when the police opened fired, and while Rajni sir had allegedly condemned the police action, he reportedly changed his stand after visiting the site of the protest. Rajni sir had changed his statement and allegedly said कि protesters के बीच anti-social elements घुस गए थे, जिनकी वजह से पुलिस को फायरिंग करनी पड़ी. The superstar had been severely trolled and criticized for seemingly changing his stand and justifying the police action. लेकिन उस वक्त भी वो अपनी statement पे बने रहे. Actor Rajnikant had stood firm on his comments despite facing severe criticism for altering his initial stance, and now he may have to explain himself in a courtroom. The actor, who had been summoned in February earlier, had requested कि उन्हें written submission देने की permission मिले because him making a public appearance could cause unnecessary problems to the public. In the meanwhile, the actor has resumed filming for his next film, Anathe. While no official updates were made about how far the filming has come, it's reported that the movie will be a rural drama जिसमें 4 female leads होंगे. The film also stars talented southern actors like Prakash Raj and will also see Jackie Shroff play the antagonist role. While the first schedule of the film was filmed in Hyderabad, a second schedule which was to be filmed abroad will now also be shot in India, keeping safety precautions in mind. But in the most significant development, रजनी सर अब बहुत जल्द अभिनेता से नेता बनने जा रहे हैं. जी हाँ, the superstar is all set to launch his own political party in Tamil Nadu after deciding not to join either of the two main political parties. The actor is gearing up to launch his party on either the 14th, 17th or 21st of January, and the final date will be announced on 31st of December. With a blockbuster film under production and a third political party being created, रजनी सर का आने वाला साल बहुत ही एक्टिव होने वाला है.
I'm Rajinikanth fan. No Vijay, no Ajit. Only one superstar. That is a Superman. That's Rajinikanth.
प्लैनेट बॉलीवुड में अब वक्त हो गया है एक छोटे से ब्रेक का, बट स्टे ट्यून्ड क्योंकि ब्रेक के बाद भी बाकी है बहुत कुछ खास.
Siddharth Shukla seems to be in celebration mode even a week after his 40th birthday.
Happy birthday, dear Siddharth.
The actor treated his fans to an unseen video from his birthday celebrations, जहां उनकी बहनों ने उनकी जम की पिटाई की।
Siddharth Shukla rose to prominence as a television actor, and the tall and handsome star has become a popular reality show contestant and music video actor as well. Siddharth, who entered his 40s this year, was unfortunately involved in an incident hours after his birthday celebrations where he was accused of being intoxicated and hitting a passerby. The actor has also spoken about this incident and shared that it left him feeling bitter. Take a look.
Siddharth Shukla enjoys a huge fan following, and the actor has fans who are crazy about his good looks and great on-screen presence. While he couldn't celebrate his birthday with his fans, thanks to pandemic restrictions, Siddharth made them feel special by sharing an unseen video from his 40th birthday party. The actor captioned his post, "I couldn't celebrate my birthday with you all. So here's an insight." Video mein we see Siddharth, who is wearing a cheeky t-shirt that says "Legend are born in December," getting 40 birthday bumps from his family members. लगता है सिद्धार्थ की बहनों ने मौके का खूब फायदा उठाया और अपने भाई को थोड़े ज्यादा जोर से किक कर दिया। The actor is seen yelping in pain several times and finally जब उनको नीचे रखा गया, he asks, किसने इतने खुन्नस में मारा? Siddharth's mom is just standing by enjoying her kids having fun while his sister reminds him कि वो केक कट करना ना भूले। But while the birthday celebrations seemed to have been fun-filled, the actor got into trouble soon after when goons reportedly tried to threaten him while he was driving back home from the party.
ये सिद्धार्थ शुक्ला है, गाड़ी चला रहा है। आपने बेवजह मारे ना सर, वो गरीब को बेवजह मारे ना। अभी बात क्यों पलट दिखाया? अभी आप बात मत पलटो, अभी मारे ना आपने दिखाया वो।
Though Siddharth managed to get the men who attacked him arrested, he was caught in a huge controversy when a video accusing him of driving and hitting an innocent man went viral. Speaking about the incident for the first time now, Siddharth said कि उन पे intoxicated होने का इल्जाम लगाना और किसी के वीडियो को सच मान के उन्हें guilty ठहराना गलत था. According to the actor, he was just helping out his brother-in-law after a member of his staff was harassed by someone. In an interview, Siddharth said, "Whatever happened is all out there. I think there have been a couple of video clips of the incident that people have seen. I just have one thing to say, that with the online space being so vast, some of these platforms are really starved for news. Somebody said that I was, and that was the headline put out without any verification." The actor also added that while he doesn't need praise or validation for helping someone out, लेकिन वहीं जब वो कुछ अच्छा कर रहे थे तो इस बात को गलत तरीके से पेश करना और उन पर झूठा इल्जाम लगाना भी unfair था. He added that it left a bitter feeling in the heart.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Siddharth.
Well, we hope कि केक और आपके फैमिली के प्यार की मिठास ने उस रात की बिटरनेस को भुलाने में आपकी मदद की होगी. Here's hoping you have a great 41st year of the planet, Siddharth.
Happy birthday, Siddharth.
Okay, अच्छा ऐसा है क्या? Okay, सही है, thank you.
Okay.
Well, that brings us to the end of our episode on Planet Bollywood. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Do not forget to leave your views and comments in the comment section on our social media handles and digital platform. This is me, Sagarika Chhetri, signing off for now. Promising to be back tomorrow. You guys, stay home and stay safe.